Hello viewers, how are you all? Today, in this video, I am going to explain about the fractal indicator, a very useful indicator, which indicates the potential reversal points. Moreover, I will share a trading strategy using the fractal indicator. But before going ahead in the video, if you are new to our channel, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel, so you cannot miss our upcoming videos. Now let us understand what the fractal indicator is. The fractal is one type of specific pattern of the 5 candlesticks that occurs during the price movement in the market. Here, you can see the fractals on the graph in the form of small triangle arrows. These fractals indicate the potential trend reversal points of the stock. In some trading software, if the fractals have different colors, then you can change them into the green and red colors from the indicator settings. There are mainly 2 types of fractals. This arrow, which is green in color, is called the bullish fractal, and this arrow, which is red in color, is called the bearish fractal. Let us find out how and when these fractals are formed. A bullish fractal is formed when the middle candle has the lowest low, and there are 2 candles with higher lows on both of its sides. As you can see here, this middle candle has the lowest low, and the lows of its previous 2 candles are higher than it. Further, the lows of its next 2 candles are also higher than it. So, this is a bullish fractal. This bullish fractal indicates for the reversal that the downtrend may finish now, and from here, the price can move in the upward direction. Similarly, the bearish fractal is formed when the middle candle has the highest high, and there are 2 candles with the lower highs on both of its sides. Here, this middle candle has the highest high, and the highs of its 2 previous candles are lower than it. Moreover, the highs of its next 2 candles are also lower than it. So, this is called the bearish fractal. When this type of bearish fractal is created, then it indicates for the reversal that the uptrend may finish now, and from here, the price can move in the downward direction. Though the fractal indicator provides trend reversal points, it is one kind of lagging indicator. Let us see how. A fractal contains the formation of the 5 candlesticks. Its meaning is that a fractal is produced when the 2 candles next to the middle candle are developed. Thus, if we want to trade with the help of fractals, then we have to wait till the next 2 candles of the middle candle are produced. In this way, the fractal indicator lags, as the trend reversal happens earlier. So, here the better idea is to use the fractals as short-term support or resistance levels. When the bullish fractal is formed, it can be taken as the short-term support level, from where the price may take support, and it can move in the upward direction. Similarly, when the bearish fractal is formed, it can be taken as a short-term resistance level, from where the price may get resistance, and move in the downward direction. We will take the fractals as the support and resistance levels in our strategy. One more important thing is that, when we keep the value of fractals at 2 periods, the number of fractals increases, and we get many false signals. On the other side, if we increase the value of fractals to 10 periods, then the number of fractals decreases, and we can have better signals for buying and selling. Therefore, in our strategy, we will use the fractal indicator with the value of 10 periods. Now let us focus on the fractal breakout trading strategy. First, we see the example for the buy setup. Here, we have several fractals which are very close to each other. As you can see, the price levels at these bearish fractals are very close. So, we will plot a resistance level by connecting to these bearish fractals. Earlier, these fractals have given the signals for the selling. Therefore, many sellers would have made the selling at these fractals. Further, we can see that the price could not make the required downtrend, which is essential for closing the trade position. Moreover, at this point, the price gives the breakout to this resistance level. So, at this level, the sellers will try to exit their trade to maintain risk management, and the buyers, who are waiting for this breakout, will try to enter at this point. Thus, the chance of the uptrend is increased. Hence, we will make our buy entry at the high of this candle, our stop loss should be at the low of this candle, and we will exit when a bearish fractal is formed. You can see here, after our buy entry, the price made a huge up move, and we could achieve our target. Now let us see an example for the sell setup. As you can see here, there are many fractals which are closer to each other. Now look at these bullish fractals, the price levels at these bullish fractals are very near. Therefore, we will plot a support level by connecting them. These bullish fractals have given signals for buying. Hence, many traders might have bought at this support level. Further, the price moved accordingly in the uptrend for a short time, but the price could not make the appropriate higher move. So, the buyers who had bought at this level did not get better chances for selling. Moreover, at this point, the price gives a breakout to the support level. Thus, the buyers will feel the pressure of selling to maintain risk management. So, here the buyers will try to sell, and the short traders, who are waiting for the same situation, will give momentum to the selling. Hence, we will sell at the low of this breakout candle, our stop loss should be at the high of this candle, and we will exit when a bullish fractal is formed. You can see, after our sell entry, the price made a good down move. That was all. My dear viewers, a lot of hard work is required to make these types of videos, so if you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, and subscribe our channel, so you cannot miss our upcoming videos. Take care of yourself.